starting to emphasize practical applications of open banking. It seems like we're beyond the hype and now talking about real challenges and real solutions. In particular, I love the presentation from O Bank out of Korea that talked about what seemed like a very real, concrete success story.
Overall, I think it was a good, if you will, mix of subjects and different perspectives. Also, I think the size of the conference made it very approachable and easy to follow.
Lots of opportunity to make a partnership with different fintechs and different banks. That's great.
Here, you got really good speakers and representatives from all aspects of the entire ecosystem, which made it do great. It's not just the banks or just the fintechs, but regulatory agencies, design firms, and everyone.
You've done a great job in bringing presenters together and participants to have an engaged dialogue, and you've been giving us opportunities to do that at the breaks and with led activities in the session itself.
We've had some great discussion, great debate over the past couple of days. The rapid demos was fun, got my heart rate going a little bit, so that was entertaining. But it's been a great opportunity to meet some really interesting people and some great conversation. And it's been very interesting.
But this forum is more focused on open banking industry. We see the trend of open banking trend, and we are happy to see the trend is what we expected 2 years ago. So it was fantastic. Yeah.
Quite an eclectic atmosphere, and it's been great to be a part of it here.
It can take days to weeks to get in front of the folks that you want to have a conversation with. And so this forum brings people who are aligned with interest, if not purpose, together to jumpstart those conversations.
Certainly going away having met some great new contacts and some discussions that will continue after the event.
It's a good opportunity.